subo. Subo naman. And, magtakot yung job ni Melly. Oh, ayan. Okay lang yan. Oh, sweet moments. O siya naman, yung taigid ka, bibig na pangiparang tatitaon ta rin, ayusin ka. O lokohin mo. And may you please end it with a kiss, always. Kiss naman. And 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Salamat. Next will be yung ating wine. Si Sir Awisan, nai-inspire na siyang mag-asawa. How does it feel to kiss and how to have that 10 seconds? Sabi niya, okay.
You're absolutely correct, Jen Bolster. So, actually, the tradition for a 10-second kiss, especially for those who didn't attend the wedding ceremony a while ago, they'll definitely, this is the perfect time para naman ma-witness natin ang 10-second kiss here for the reception program ng mag-asawa. So, are we going to participate? Lahat po ba?
Of course!
Yes!
Okay, agbilang tayo sir, di ba? Agbilang tayo ti 10 seconds for the 10-second kiss. And, ready? And, kiss! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Actually, sir, kanina pa
kaya nga, di ba? Ano yung naging kwento? Ano yung naging kwento talaga pagdating sa Mountain Province at dito sa Manalpa?
Because definitely why the weather you have here talagang apakasarap, apakainit ng pangkambak nila sa amin.
So ano naman ang masasabi mo sa mga niluto ng mga kalalakihan dito? Ang sarap, di ba?
Yung niluto or lalaki, masarap po talaga yung hinain. Okay, sorry guys. Parang may nakalimutan tayo. Okay, and 5.
Ulitin natin. 10! Everybody, 9! 8! 7!